Here's some governmentality trivia. Subscribe. Which philosopher coined the term governmentality? Is it A. Michel Foucault, B. Jean-Paul Sartre, C. Gottfried Leibniz, or D. David Hume? The correct answer is A. Michel Foucault. In what year did Foucault first lecture on governmentality? Is it A. 1978, B. 1976, C. 1990, or D. 1982? The correct answer is A. 1978. Who discussed pastoral power in relation to governmentality? Is it A. Derrida, B. Weber, C. Nietzsche, or D. Foucault? The correct answer is D. Foucault. What is the practice of managing populations called? Is it A. Governance, B. Administration, C. Supervision, or D. Regulation? The correct answer is A. Governance. Which discourse is connected to the idea of freedom and governmentality? Is it A. Cultural, B. Ethical, C. Economic, or D. Social? The correct answer is C. Economic. What term refers to the regulation of bodies? Is it A. Sovereign power, B. Control society, C. Cultural imperialism, or D. Biopower? The correct answer is D. Biopower. What characterizes techno-governmentality? Is it A. Data surveillance, B. Social media marketing, C. Surveillance of protests, or D. Environmental policies? The correct answer is A. Data surveillance. What aspect of society does governmentality heavily critique? Is it A. Welfare programs, B. Civil rights laws, C. Environmental regulations, or D. Neoliberal policies? The correct answer is D. Neoliberal policies. What does the concept of subjectification refer to? Is it A. Identity formation, B. Emotional detachment, C. Self-expression, or D. Social conformity? The correct answer is A. Identity formation. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.